Hi friends, welcome to Nuts and Almonds. Today we are going to prepare a delicious appetizer. Healthier, less expensive, no breadcrumbs, no artificial preservatives, no oven, no air fryer. It is a delicious appetizer that is enjoyed by children and adults with a light crisp exterior and well-seasoned interior. They are popular on restaurant menus. The recipe is egg nugget. The truth is, you can make them at home quite easily, which has the added benefits of being healthier and less expensive. To make this egg nugget at home, you need 2 number of eggs. Whisk the egg together for 2 minutes. Blend the eggs with a fork nicely. Whisk the egg continuously until it becomes fluffy. Take a teaspoonful of pepper and grind it nicely and add the powder, that pepper powder, into the eggs. Again beat it nicely. Now add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour into the egg mixture and beat it nicely with a fork. And make sure there is no lumps in the egg mixture. I have used my fingers to mix the all-purpose flour into the egg mixture well, and I'm going to drain it. I'm going to filter it. By filtering the egg mixture, you can remove the lumps. Here you can see the filtered egg mixture. Now I am going to add a pinch of red chili powder. Whisk everything together with a fork. There are a number of options when it comes to prepare your nuggets. Instead of breadcrumbs, I've added rice rinds powder. Now we are going to prepare egg omelette. For this, you take a tawa and add a teaspoon of butter and spread the egg mixture on the tawa. Keep the flame on low or medium. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to cook. When it is cooked, flip it over on the other side. Spread the egg mixture evenly on the tawa by rotating the tawa nicely. To get a perfect round-shaped omelette, I am going to cut the omelette with a big round tiffin box. Now remove the excess piece of the bread omelette. After removing the excess pieces, you have to cut the bread omelette in a perfect shape to make the nugget. I am going to prepare a triangular shaped nugget. This kid-friendly, widely popular nugget is often demanded by kids. Much of the nutritional value in nuggets depends on who is making them. Store-bought and fast food varieties aren't without their issues. You can always opt to make your own nugget. This helps decrease the unpronounceable ingredient list, preservatives, sodium and fat. This easy homemade nugget is perfect for toddlers and adults and so much healthier than frozen. Make a seasoned flour. To prepare this nugget, you need a cup of all-purpose flour, and into the all-purpose flour add 50 grams of cornstarch. Mix it together well. With this, you can add half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, ginger garlic paste half a teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now you are going to add the secret ingredient which makes the nugget crispy and crunchy. That is powdered rice frames. Now put the other half of the seasoned flour into a small bowl and add water with it. Mix it well together to make a thick liquid. Dip the egg piece with the liquid and dredge the egg piece with the flour. Mix it all together. The seasoned flour should be mixed nicely with the egg piece. Again dip the omelette piece into the liquid and then dust it with the seasoned flour. You should not press the flour over the piece. Instead, you should mix it well. The same procedure should be continued until all the egg pieces are done. Now, allow the coated nuggets to sit while you begin heating your oil for frying. After the oil becomes hot, drop the nuggets into the oil one by one. Begin frying it in batches. Take care not to overcrowd the pan and do not disturb the nuggets for 1 minute. After 1 minute of time, turn the nuggets carefully to ensure that both sides are thoroughly cooked. This process will take about 7 to 10 minutes depending on the size and temperature. You should flip over the nuggets time to time, otherwise it will overcooked on one side. Now the color has started to change. You have to fry the nuggets until it is turned into golden brown in color. Can you see the texture of the nugget? How crispy it looks. Continue with the remaining egg until they are done. It is crispy outside and very soft inside. The nugget should be served immediately after finished cooking. See how crispy it is. You can have this nugget with mayonnaise and chili sauce. Or delicious, healthier, less expensive nugget is ready now. Hope you love this recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for our new updates. Thank you.